Gear 5, Luffy, doing like a selfie punch. So it's like he's holding the camera and he's about to punch the camera. So I thought it was kind of cool. Landscape page, use a pencil, use an eraser, hip pose. If I go too fast, I'm going to start with his cloud eyes. Do a spiral. Just there. Okay, it's not perfectly centered, but more or less in the middle, sort of somewhere. And then this eyebrow goes up, around and down. So his eye shape is in under there, so they're pretty circular. So it just comes down like that first, and then we go around underneath, and then those sort of pink red eyes that he has. Some pure circle in there, and then a dot in the middle, and then we'll do his scar underneath. And then we instantly know that it's Luffy. Over and do the other one, so a spiral. Finish the eyebrow. Add his eye. Curved line there. Curved line around the back. Curved line around the back is always bigger. And then go around the front. And then we add the red iris circle. And a pupil just in there. Right, his nose then comes down from here, down, and in like that. And then we get a nostril. And we get some frowns just up here because he is frowning. Broken line just kind of going up for his forehead. And maybe like some wrinkles in here as well. So big one piece teeth and smile, so you just do like a big banana shape sort of coming across his face. So it curves that way first. And then it goes down around. Again, it kind of reminds me of a banana, or like, you know, like a boat you would draw like when you were a kid. We got all teeth in there, so you divide this again sort of in half. And then we add the teeth lines. Like so. And then his face shape. It's kind of like a wine glass sort of shape, so it curves all the way around. So imagine if it was like a wine glass, the handle would be here. More or less that shape anyway. So then at the top of this line, we have his sort of sideburns. And then his ears come out from there. And then we have ear lines inside. The easiest way is that letter J shape. You know, very basic sort of ear. But sometimes they do add more. So they add like a little bump in there close to the face. And maybe another one or two lines at the back. So then his fringe, so it's these sort of, it's always cloud-like kind of like round spikes. They're not spiky spikes. They're just sort of ovally at the top, kind of like, it's hard to explain. They're just not spiky. And then at the back of his head, so we get like these sort of round you might get like a spiral every now and then. Like a little sort of cloud shape in there. And this comes down in here, off the page. I'm going to go over the other side and go the other way. There, and then in the middle you'll have some of these kind of spiral. Okay, so his waistcoat kind of comes down from his neck, just like here, right? So that's one side of it. The other side comes over his shoulder, like coming around the back of his neck, sort of. Let's say like up here. We get like his string for his hat, but then it goes that way kind of. So his string for his hat is just around his neck here. And it's kind of tied in the middle. So it's this. And it goes in that gap. And that just like goes around his neck somewhere up here. Around his head. It's hanging down anyway. It connects to his hat somewhere down there. So the waistcoat then sort of flows off here. Back up this way. We get some yellow buttons. Put another spiral here actually. So the waistcoat goes out to this big arm down here. So we'll finish his body in here first. So we get like some neck muscles just coming down towards the center of his string on his neck, and you'll have like just neck muscle sort of lines in there. And then these two neck muscle lines show you where the center of his chest is, which is here. And that'll go sort of this way. And then up here. And then we get, I think, his nipple in there. The other one in there. And then we see his abs and hips. You can't see it on that side. So we get his waistband. So it goes down that way. And then it curves across his stomach. And then he's a bit that's tied, that sort of flows down. And I think it goes back around. There's all that cloud and stuff in there, so let me just put some fabric lines just on this. His leg will go this way. And then he's got those bumpy things on his knees at the end of his shorts. The inside of his waistcoat is here, just bending around that way. Right, and then we have a scar and sort of some abs inside here, so like belly button sort of area there. 3 bumps following this line, and then we get the top of his abs and the sides of them. Then we get like some ribs and stuff. Ba, 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 ba. Then we have his big scar. So, well, oh, I forgot that there's little strings for his hat there, and then we get his big scar. Just a big X marks the spot. Sort of spiky. Right, so we'll finish the arm on this side maybe, and then we'll do his one, the big one, sort of on this side. So he's got that cloud that comes like behind his body. So it's like this sort of stuff just comes over his arm. And this eventually goes all the way up behind his head, obviously. And like his arm like goes that way somewhere. And then the fist comes out from behind just the cloud here. Right at the end of his sleeve or something there. And then that's his wrist. Right, so then like you can just kind of see his thumb here. And then his knuckles at the back. 4 of them. And then they go down for his pinky, just into his fingers here. And that's the palm of his hand. And then each of these would be a finger. Like that. Right, so the big hand, right, so we got to do like an exaggerated perspective thing. So he's got like the arm gets really big and foreshortened, and he's got that smoke that comes over it as well. So maybe smoke first because it's in front. So just like a bendy wavy line basically. Sometimes there'll be a spiral like that. This like wraps around and goes around to the other side. But so that like goes all the way around. But then we can see like his shoulder, and like his hat is here. So we get like all this bump, right? Couple of bumps for like his shoulder area. So the arm is like wrapped around here. And the arm just goes off this way. He's got a very loose, baggy sort of sleeve. On his wrist. That's real big. So everything like foreshortened. And then I think you can just see his waistcoat just there. And then his arm goes off my page that way. Of course, if you have more room, just keep that arm going until you hit the edge of your page. Or if you've stopped like here, you can just cut your page. So, you know, you don't have to. You can make your page fit your picture if you want. And maybe we'll put some scratches on his face as well, because he is kind of scratched up in the picture. But I think that's everything. Gear 5 Luffy. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. Oh, that's not everything. The hat. That was close. I nearly forgot his hat. Man. So, curve line there. And then sort of the rim of it, maybe here. And like this wavy sort of section that it's got like all these curve lines there. And then the top of the hat. Go, I guess sort of go around here. Just in behind those clouds. And then it usually has a red sort of strap on it down here somewhere. And this has like, you know, basket weave kind of textures on it. Boom, boom. Now, Gear 5. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.